Morning, YouTube. I have fixed it. Now, each and every bolt has a nut, and that thing is clamped shut. Got a new firecracker in the breech. I rescaled the round inside of it to be 0.1 millimeter smaller in diameter. Now it's a little loose, but that's alright. I use paper towel wadding. Our target today is a freshly lit tea candle. I just bought 100 of them. I don't know, I want to experiment with these. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully this thing doesn't explode, send shrapnel up into my place or up into me. I got my sunglasses. These are not safety glasses, but anything will do. Not really. Here we go. Oh shit. Terrifying. Wow. Alright, so I didn't glue the barrel on, and I think that shows. Damn, that thing flew back with some force. Let's see if I can find the barrel now. Or the candle. Whew. Smell of a firecracker. There's the candle. Yeah, that came out with some speed, baby. Oh, wow. She's in there. This thing is cold. Jesus. There's the paper towel wadding. So the wadding didn't even have a chance to separate. And even with the wadding at the tip, this thing's still. Yeah, it bulged out the other end. Wow, that thing had some force. Now where's the barrel? Because I want to shoot this thing again. I know the barrel popped off because I didn't glue it on. I guess that's the next step, glue it on. Oh man, where did the barrel go? Where did the barrel go? Couldn't have gone too far. Oh, this is the boring part. So for your all's sake, have a good day. Hope you've enjoyed my firecracker rifle 3D printed cannon. Refinements to be done still.